Hey, and Sylvie.
Hey Louis, tell me actually, what kind of forces do you consider in your class?
A bunch of them.
Like, do you consider the fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, like the weak one?
No, wait a minute. Okay, this is the first course, okay, in dynamics, so the weak and strong nuclear forces, we'll keep that a bit for later. We do gravity, and then I think all the other forces really are contact forces, which don't deep or electric forces, but just contact forces.
So contact forces, like, okay, if I'm pulling this,
All right, great example, great.
so what do I have? I have tension here,
Tension, that's a contact force. Down deep electric, because it's atoms.
makes sense. I also have some normal force,
Okay, well, sure, the table is pushing it back up.
and then I have some friction force.
Yeah, this is also really one contact between this and the table, but essentially we decide that the force parallel we call friction, and the force that's perpendicular we call normal.
Oh,
And-
but there is also spring-like force.
Okay,
So,
oh, that's nice spring. Well, yeah, and the thing cool about all these contact forces is that they're adjustable. Like this one, you can make more or less force, like the spring, by stretching it more or compressing it more. And when you pull on this on the string, and you can pull as strong. You're adjusting the force.
I see.
These are forces you can adjust. In fact, the normal is also adjustable.
oh, let's see that actually. Let's
Okay.
think about it. So, you're saying that the normal force acts like a spring. So what happens if I put some weight down on that board?
Well, I just said it was adjustable, but I think you're right. I think it is like a spring. Like you put a brick on it, and then this thing responds by pushing it back up. Okay, great. If you put two bricks, it just pushes twice as much.
That makes
So
sense.
it's like a spring. You just push it on it. So every normal force, even the table, is just like spring.
Oh, well.
But I think you can see the spring-like behavior much easier. Instead of these bricks, let me show you. Got a nice anvil here.
Oh,
Let's see.
that looks heavy.
So the normal should adjust itself to support the anvil. And now you can see it's really bending. And really the idea is even when this anvil is on the table, the table is bending itself. It's just that this is a very, very stiff table. Very
So we
stiff
don't see
spring.
it.
So we don't see it. But really, every time you put something on a surface, it bends itself and pushes back up. And that pushes can be arbitrary, up to, of course, there's the possibility that you can break it. Right, in this case, we didn't break it, so that was good.
All right.